All right, quick update. I got all of the cross cuts and all of the initial, just all of the cross cuts and the secondary cross cuts on these 31.5-inch boards, both ends already cut. And I've done every single one of the cuts on the 12-inch pieces and the 13.5-inch pieces, and I figured it was time to show you how these things would go together. It's just a simple series of overlapping half-lap joints. It's really not rocket science. You bastard, come here. You can see what the double lap joint on that end piece, it forms basically a virtual tenon, and these two half laps come together to form a virtual mortise. I'm strongly considering reinforcing the square on the inside, and that'll also give more support for the feet with just a piece of scrap 2x4 cut down to the necessary dimensions, of course. And when I glue and peg everything together, it should be very strong, and more than strong enough to deal with the load that it's going to have to carry. Which way did this go? Oh yeah, here we go. But anyway, it's nice that everything fits well enough together that it just freestands even on an uneven surface, so it's going to be good. All right, that's it for the day. These damn mosquitoes are killing me.